Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can convert data from Xero to QuickBooks Online, so let's get started. Moving your accounting data from Xero to QuickBooks Online is a big task, and while manually importing lists is possible, the safest and most efficient way to transfer all your transactional history is by using an automated migration tool. The first crucial step is preparation in Xero. Ensure all your bank accounts are fully reconciled, set a lock date to prevent further changes, and export key reports like the trial balance and profit and loss to use as your accuracy checkpoints. Next, you must create a brand new, empty QuickBooks Online company file. This is necessary because most conversion tools need a clean slate to import the data correctly. For the actual transfer, the most popular and often free solution is Data Switcher. You securely connect your existing Xero account and your new QuickBooks Online file through their platform. Select the data range, usually up to 2 years, and the tool automatically maps and transfers your chart of accounts, contacts, invoices, and bank transactions. Finally, the post-conversion checklist is essential. Once the process is complete, you must immediately run the trial balance and profit and loss reports in QuickBooks and compare them against the Xero reports you saved earlier, ensuring the numbers match exactly, and then perform a final bulk reconciliation of your bank accounts to confirm absolute data accuracy. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.